Hi guys, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to my skin doctor, my dermat, Dr. Lippy Gupta in Green Park. Let's get going. क्या मुझे पूरे फेस पे कुछ फीलिंग नहीं होगा इसके बाद?
यस मैम,
कितनी देर के
नम हो
लिए?
जाएगा 1 आवर में सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाता है।
ये eyelashes पे oh shit, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है. My face gets numb. यहाँ पे स्पेशली. अब क्या ये बर्न होगा? मतलब सन में जा सकते हो?
हो रहा है मैम, सिर्फ वही होगा।
सन में जाना मना है क्या?
अभी मैम मास्क अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, मैंने थिक लेयर करी, 5 मिनट्स में पेनिट्रेट हो जाएगी सब। 5 मिनट हम इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ेंगे।
अच्छा. My face, this is so red right now. It's swollen, and it just feels like so much heat. As soon as I got out of the room where this was happening, it started burning like crazy, and you can see where all it has been used right now is going to give like a swelling kind of thing. And while I was driving back home, इतना जल रहा था. मेरा AC 4th number की blower पे था, and it was all directed to my face. It doesn't really look nice. I hope that this really works out for my skin. I might go ahead with some ice pack. You can see like a little blood penetrating between. I will use an ice pack, but currently I'm not allowed to go out in the sun for 2 days, and we got my air conditioning switched on. I think I'm gonna be inside, and I don't know, I have anyway my whole room to fix, so I'm still okay about it. But now the pain is so much lesser, the numbness is going down, and let's check in a couple of hours. Let's do a check-in. This is almost 8 p.m. in the same day. I had fallen asleep, I took a nap, and now we have some visible marks of the procedure, but it's no longer burning or anything, no sensation like that. That was very much temporary. Now I just think it'll start peeling off because I feel a little peel off here, but the doctor said not to, scratch it out, peel it out. That's not how it works. And अभी लग रहा है कि सारा dark spots हो रहे हैं, but they even informed me for the same कि डार्क स्पॉट्स लगेंगे, बट उसको ऐसे खींच के मत निकालना. It will take you up to a week for your skin to settle down, and this is what it looks like. I'll be in my own house even tomorrow, but I think it will be way better in the morning. So let's check when I wake up. Good morning. It is, I think, about 12 or 1 in the afternoon, and we're on the second day of recovery. This is what it looks like up close. Like you can see the mesh kind of needles that have worked around my face, and where all has that been used. But I can see I'm feeling so much better today. There's no burning, there's no nothing. I just need to keep my head up. Like मुझे अपना head बस ऊपर ऊपर करके रखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये सारा clog वॉग ना हो जाए. And if I want to go outside, I'm gonna wear my hat and sunglasses and I'm gonna go. We don't feel any pain, and we're just gonna let it be how it is because it's gonna peel off in some time. We'll let this do its own magic. I'm very optimistic about this, even though my parents are like a little scared, but I have high hopes. I hope this one process itself makes change because I paid 8,000 for it. I'm still in the same shirt because we're still cleaning my room. My winter clothes have finally made it inside the bed box, but we still have like a little summer to figure out here, and also my rack. And we have a newfound place around here which we need to work upon, because I moved my vanity table from this side to that one, and we have construction going on in my house, so there is a lot of things in the process right now. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Doing a 32 hours check, and we feel so much better. Nothing has changed of that sort, but now I am allowed to use a gentle cleanser and a gentle moisturizer, sunscreen. I have to keep loading it onto my skin. I have to wash my face every 4 hours when I'm awake, and I am continuously putting moisturizer and sunscreen, and I think we see a very different effect. Like, it is supposed to be moist, I'm not supposed to keep it dry, and honestly some part of me really thinks this looks hot, like the redness. Maybe I have a natural one. I wish I have one. Today is the end of my third day with the fractional laser, and the bruising has significantly improved. अब इतना वो दिख नहीं रहा है, but yeah, it feels like I have been stamped on my face, और मैंने अभी अपना face wash किया है. So you could like very closely see those tiny bruising, and this is done like this because the skin rejuvenation is much easier when the cells around it are very much protected and very much healthy. तब फिर ये जो marked pores हैं जहाँ पे भी मेरा fractional laser हुआ है, ये सारा इसको push करेगा to get healthy as soon as possible and not take as much time as a normal bruising would, because these were like tiny needles going into my skin, boosting the collagen, and the stamping like kind of gone. It is asked for me to not be in the sun for too long. The sun exposure will, you know, just like darken all of these up, and not just that, the humidity, the sweat will kind of just eliminate the process of this peeling out. So we gotta stay away from the sun like that. This is what the end of day 3 looks like. Let's see you tomorrow. Hi, this is day 4, and I cannot step outside of the house without a hat because we don't need direct sun on my burns, but we feel so much better. We see a lot of improvement. We can see like the peeling is happening on its own. I would wash my face with plain water, which has to be which doesn't really need to be hot. Like, we need lukewarm and cold water, and since it's summer in India, I'm doing the cold water. I actually even had a shower today with cold water, and we don't seem to like have problems. But yeah, the scarring is still there. I have much deeper scarring on my neck here, but this portion, like, it's slightly, you know, peeling on its own. It's going away on its own, and I have to do nothing. Like, this one's just peeled out, right? See, this is where the improvement is happening. अब हमारा 4th day end हो रहा है, and yes, I'm in my washroom because this has like the best lighting, but never mind. I see a lot of peeling here. Like, you can see some parts are like ये अपने आप रिमूव हो गए हैं. लाइक ड्यूरिंग माई रीएप्लीकेशन जितनी बार भी मैंने अपना फेस वॉश किया है, उसके ऊपर मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड सन ब्लॉक लगाया है, दिस इज़ हाउ इट रिजल्ट्स इनटू. लाइक, यहाँ पे इतना नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी बहुत कम है, बट आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ peeling on my chin area and on this side. Like, I can feel it, but I don't want to pick it apart. I want to let it be like that, and जब मैं moisturize करूँगी वो अपने आप निकल जाएगा जब मैं cleanse करूँगी. So just gonna keep it very natural. Hi guys, it's been a week to the process, and this is what my 7th day looks like with the procedure done. यहाँ पे अभी तक इफेक्ट नहीं किया है, पीलिंग नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे, बट हियर वी सी अ वेरी विजिबल रिजल्ट. यहाँ पे पीलिंग हो चुकी है, यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी बची है. वी हैव सम हियर. This is pretty much gone, but yeah, you can see the difference right now, like the skin and the skin. And I also got a pimple, but this looks nice for a 7th day. But yeah, the process is a little longer. Time बहुत लग रहा है. मेरे daily activities में थोड़ा problem आता है because I cannot put makeup. So this is what we've ended up with within 7 days. Hi guys, this is almost 1 a.m. in the night. मैं सोने जा रही थी, but I just remembered that I did not document something from today when it comes to my fractional laser, and we can see a lot of improvement. I still have a little left here. We have little spots still here. The micro needling, I have a new pimple, and we have a couple going on around here too. This is done, but like I can still feel a little bit. Just like this side, I have some here also, and like some on the neck also. But my chin is done. I also need to get a facial laser because I have some PCOS growth happening. We have one here also. Oh, you need to. I don't want to pluck this out because that might like result into a pimple. But let's have the look that I can see on my mirror in front of me. This gives such a better view when we talk of my skin. Ow. Like from afar, my skin seems to glow like so much better and looks much normal. Today is the end of the 10th day. We have been in this journey for 10 days, and this is what it looks like. I think, like honestly, the downtime is so much. I've not applied makeup for 10 days now, and we still have like a couple of more days to go. So it is super costly also, but I can see a good result, and I'm waiting for a little bit more. And let's see how many days it actually takes, because I was told like 7 days, 7 to 10 days, and we just completed the 10th. So let's see how many more days before I would like to actually dive in with makeup and proper skincare and everything. Right now I'm doing nothing on my skin. I'm only washing my face, applying a moisturizer and a sunscreen. That is it. Like for the night, like even though I had like a thing last night, I went in with the liner, a mascara, eyebrow pencil, some lipstick, because those are the places that this process was not done. I can't use this area of my face, so that was it. But you can survive, but the first 3-4 days were so tough because everybody would keep coming to me and ask me like, whoa, what happened to your face? And that's just the confidence in me that I actually went outside. But I don't think like anybody else would be okay with that fact of like having a bruised face, a face that is like looks like you've been hit by somebody, like you got into a fight or something. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep and we'll catch up tomorrow. Bye. It has been 2 weeks to the procedure, the fractional laser, and I just finished working out, and I can see a huge difference on my face. Leaving aside the pimple population that we have अभी, इसको छोड़ के my यहाँ पे जो गड्ढे से थे, those have reduced so much. The pigmentation has reduced so much. This side has a lot of difference. I am happy. Like my face is glowing right now. I am controlling on my sugar intake. Yes, I'm also trying to work out regularly. Overall, the experience was not as swift as it should have been. I had to keep in my house for like at least 3 days. People had me questioning what I've done to my face, and I had to answer like pretty much everybody. थोड़ा सा वो awkward था. I wish the downtime for this procedure becomes way lesser, because not everybody has those 15 days to like sit inside and not do makeup, not go to events. I always have severe allergic reactions जब भी कोई weather change होता है. Just like यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है. My fingers would swell up. I would have itching all over my face, all over my body. To be honest, I will be wheezing. I will have a runny nose, watery eyes, and my favorite season chal raha hai. Anyway, gotta get going. I hope my experience gives you a little insight to what the procedure actually is like, how it is going to work on the skin, how long is it going to take, any precautions, anything. I hope this video gives it all to you. If it does, please do not forget to leave down a comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If it is useful and you know somebody who wants to get it done or is thinking about getting it done, do not forget to share. I'll see you next time. Bye.